So the beginning bit is quite difficult. If it goes wrong, just start again. So we're going to be using the invisibility spells, 4 skeleton spells, and your sneaky goblins to take out the clan castle and the town hall. So first of all, we're going to put down an invisibility spell to cover the clan castle, but don't make it invisible. Then put down 4 skeleton spells. There, take out the clan castle. 1 more invisibility spell. There we go. And now we're going to use that last invisibility spell to help out the sneaky goblins. So in that little box that we can deploy troops to the right of the clan castle, send in a sneaky goblin. There we go. It will sort of trigger those traps, then send in a few more sneaky goblins, and then just when they need it, send in an invisibility spell to help them out. There, take out the town hall. Now that's the hard bit done, guys. If it goes wrong, just restart. Then it's down to luck. I just spam all of the troops on the left-hand side, apart from a couple of archers and a couple of sneaky goblins. And I do send in the rule champion slightly later. So most of the troops on the left there, use your skeleton spells to sort of distract single target infernos, enemy heroes. There's loads of kings at the top of the screen there. We've used the Grand Warden ability nice and early. Now what I'm going to do is send in the rule champion now to help out, and there start moving clockwise around the base towards a horrible monolith farm. Yes, guys, look at that monolith farm on the right-hand side. It's horrible. So anyway, like I said, it's just down to luck, guys. I'm going to be honest. I struggled with this challenge. I think it's brilliant, but it can be a bit difficult. So this was the best thing I could do. Take out the clan castle, take out the town hall, and then spam the troops on the left. And I think eventually you'll be able to 3-star the base. The rule champion there moving around. We put a skeleton spell down to help protect the rule champion and heroes. And as you'll see in a minute, we are going to get 3 stars, guys. Don't worry. I'm holding on to a few troops here. We've got an archer and some sneaky goblins. Obviously good. Well, I've just put the archer down and that was a bad mistake. Yeah. So we'll get to that spell factory later. Don't worry. So we're doing okay. The rule champion ability used. Now, like I said, use those skeleton spells if you've got them. There's some ice golems there helping out. And now the sneaky goblin is sneaking around, helping us to get 3 stars. We've still got a headhunter as well. So let's recap. First sort of stage of the attack, take out the clan castle with 4 skeleton spells and 2 invisibility spells. Place the invisibility spell over the clan castle so it's not invisible, but the skeletons can still take it out. Then sneaky goblins on the town hall. Use the last invisibility spell to help them out. Then spam most of your troops on the left-hand side of the base. Then send in the rule champion. Use skeleton spells. And hopefully you'll get 3 stars. Let me know how you got on in the video comments. Best of luck. Remember to